So hey everyone, welcome back to my class vlog. And today, just like in our week 12, I'll be talking about something that plays a huge role in every volleyball game. So the duties and the responsibilities of volleyball officials. So let's get started. So in every volleyball match, officials help maintain fairness, enforce rules, and keep the game running smoothly. So there are several key officials you'll see on the court. So first, we have the first referee. Number 2, we have the second referee. Number 3 is the scorer. Number 4 is the assistant scorer or libero tracker. And number 5 is the line judges. Now let us proceed with their roles and responsibilities. First, we have the first referee. So the main referee who stands on the referee stand. He or she makes the final decisions on plays. So whistles to start and end rallies, watches for net violations, ball handling errors, and point scoring. So basically, they're the boss of the game. And now we have the second referee. So the second referee stands on the opposite side of the first referee, assists in making calls like rotation faults and net touches. So he manages substitutions and timeouts. He also communicates with the scorer's table. So they're like the first referee's right hand. Number 3, we have the scorer. So the scorer records the score on the official score sheet. He tracks the rotation order, server, and substitutions. He alerts the referees of any scoring discrepancies. So they're the reason we know who's winning. Number 4, we have the assistant scorer or the libero tracker. So the libero tracker tracks the libero's substitutions. He helps the scorer in recording the stats. He ensures that the libero follows correct rules. Okay na yun, sir. Ever wonder how they track the libero's ins and outs? Yep, that's them. Number 5 is the line judges. So usually, there are 2 to 4 at the corners of the court. So they signal if the ball is in or out. They watches for foot faults during serves. They use flags to make calls. So they've got eagle eyes watching every line closely. So now let's proceed to why let's proceed. Let us proceed to why they are important. So without officials, the game would be chaotic. So they make sure every point is fair and every rule is followed. They're the unsung heroes of every volleyball match. So that's all for today's video. Tonight's video pala. So thanks for watching. I hope you now understand the importance of duties and responsibilities of volleyball officials. So now don't forget to like, comment, and share this with your classmates. See you on next vlog, guys, and keep serving those good vibes. That's it.
Pugay.
Pugat po!